Understanding the active voice. Breathe life into your English sentences. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental aspect of English grammar, the active voice. This is a concept that's not just important for grammar exercises, but also for understanding and crafting powerful, dynamic English sentences. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Before diving into the active voice, let's first understand what voice means in English grammar. Voice in grammar refers to the relationship between the subject and the verb in a sentence. Specifically, it's about who or what is doing the action of the verb. In English, there are two types of voices, active and passive. Now, let's get to the heart of today's topic, the active voice. A sentence is in the active voice when the subject of the sentence performs the action expressed in the verb. Simply put, the subject does the action. For example, in the sentence, John eats an apple. John is the subject, eats is the verb, and an apple is the object. John is doing the action, so this sentence is in the active voice. Why is understanding the active voice important? Well, using the active voice can make your English more direct and powerful. It allows the reader or listener to easily identify the doer of the action. As a result, sentences in the active voice often seem more clear and engaging. To identify the active voice, look for sentences where the subject comes before the verb and does the action. Here are a few more examples. The cat chases the mouse. The cat is doing the chasing. I wrote a letter. I did the writing. They are playing soccer. They are the ones playing. In all these examples, the subject does the action, meaning these sentences are in the active voice. And that's a wrap for today's session on the active voice. Remember, active voice is all about the subject performing the action. It's a crucial concept to master in English grammar and can help you create more clear and dynamic sentences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find it easy to identify and use the active voice in your own English sentences. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll explore the other side of the coin, the passive voice. Happy learning!